It's Tech Tip Tuesday. If you ride in dusty conditions, here's a simple habit to develop that will keep your ATV or UTV running strong. We have seen units come in with complete engine failure due to clogged or damaged air filters. This is one simple step that can save you thousands in repairs. Blow out your air filter with compressed air after each ride, especially if riding in dusty environments. Here's how to do it right. Remove the airbox cover, undo the clips, take off the lid, carefully pull out the filter, and inspect it. Check for any damage to the filter or the rubber gaskets. Even a small tear can let dirt straight into your engine. If it looks good, blow it out with compressed air from the inside out. Reinstall the filter, seal everything back up, and you're done. It's a simple tip, only takes a minute, but it's so important because it keeps your engine clean and helps you avoid serious problems down the road, like overheating, poor performance, or a dreaded blown motor. That's it for today. Check back next week for another Tech Tip Tuesday.